So earlier today I found this Troy Bilt TB110 on the side of the road while I was running. It's got the Briggs and Stratton 550EX 140cc motor. By now you know the story. Let's see if we can get it running. So obviously when I found it I knew it wouldn't start, so went ahead and pulled the spark plug. This one's pretty fouled up. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the spark plug that I pulled from the other mower that I salvaged, the one that I cleaned up that started it. I know this spark plug works. I'll go ahead and pop it in here and see if I can get this one to start. Well, as you can tell, this one's not going to be as cooperative as the Toro that I found. So let's go on to the next simplest thing. Let's check the carburetor. The carburetor on this mower is right behind this air filter panel here. This is all plastic, comes off fairly easily. I think it's a total of 4 bolts. So once we get that off, kind of disconnect the little hose there, and you'll see that plastic carburetor right here. It's going to take a little bit of fiddling, but we'll go ahead and get that pulled out. Shouldn't be a problem. Just take your time. It's very easy. Well, I got the carburetor out. It's in really good condition, but the part that I really care about is the bowl down here. So I need to get these 2 screws off and pry the cap that holds the bowl on off. So go ahead and get that done here real quick. Took those 2 little bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them, took those out and popped the bowl right off, just like that. Now, what I care about here is the float valve down here in the bottom, that little ball. But more importantly, this little jet that points out to the side. I'm going to shoot a little bit of compressed air in there, get that cleaned out, put this thing together. Let's see what happens. Well, let's go ahead and give this thing one try here. Quick pull, and there you go. Our problem solved. We now got 2 more mowers within 2 weeks, both free of charge. You didn't think I forgot about the blower, did you? Well, turn that thing on and it works right away. No problems whatsoever. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram, see what projects don't make it to video, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.